Welcome back, Bright Minders. Today's challenge. Can you guess these famous landmarks from around the world? You've got 5 seconds for each one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Which landmark is a giant clock tower in London? A. Big Ben, B. Eiffel Tower, C. Colosseum, D. Statue of Liberty. Answer: A. The giant clock tower in London is Big Ben. 2. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? A. Rome, B. Paris, C. Madrid, D. Berlin. Answer: B. The Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, France. 3. The Colosseum is an ancient amphitheater in which country? A. Spain, B. Egypt, C. Greece, D. Italy. Answer: D. The Colosseum is an ancient amphitheater in Italy. 4. Which statue in New York is a symbol of freedom? A. Christ the Redeemer, B. Leaning Tower of Pisa, C. Statue of Liberty, D. Moai statues. Answer: C. The Statue of Liberty in New York is a symbol of freedom. 5. The Great Wall is a famous landmark in which country? A. China, B. Japan, C. India, D. Mongolia. Answer: A. The Great Wall is a famous landmark in China. 6. Machu Picchu is an ancient city located in which country? A. Chile, B. Peru, C. Brazil, D. Mexico. Answer: B. Machu Picchu is an ancient city located in Peru. 7. Which landmark is known as the famous Leaning Tower? A. Sydney Opera House, B. Leaning Tower of Pisa, C. Big Ben, D. Tower of London. Answer: B. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is the famous Leaning Tower. 8. Christ the Redeemer statue is found in which city? At Rio de Janeiro, B. Lisbon, C. Buenos Aires, D. Madrid. Answer: A. Christ the Redeemer statue is found in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. 9. The Taj Mahal is a famous mausoleum in which country? A. Pakistan, B. India, C. Afghanistan, D. Nepal. Answer: B. The Taj Mahal is a famous mausoleum in India. 10. Which city is home to the Sydney Opera House? A. Melbourne, B. Perth, C. Auckland, D. Sydney. Answer: D. The Sydney Opera House is located in Sydney, Australia. 11. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument located in which country? A. Ireland, B. Scotland, C. England, D. Wales. Answer: Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument located in England. 12. Which landmark is an ancient amphitheater in Rome? A. Parthenon, B. Sagrada Familia, C. Pyramids of Giza, D. Colosseum. Answer: The Colosseum is the ancient amphitheater in Rome, Italy. 13. Mount Rushmore features the faces of 4 U.S. presidents. In which state is it located? A. California, B. Texas, C. South Dakota, D. Colorado. Answer: Mount Rushmore is located in South Dakota, USA. 14. The Pyramids of Giza are located in which country? A. Egypt, B. Tunisia, C. Morocco, D. Sudan. Answer: The Pyramids of Giza are located in Egypt. 15. Angkor Wat is a famous temple complex in which country? A. Thailand, B. Cambodia, C. Laos, D. Vietnam. Answer: Angkor Wat is a famous temple complex in Cambodia. 16. The Parthenon is an ancient temple in which country? A. Greece, B. Turkey, C. Italy, D. Egypt. Answer: The Parthenon is an ancient temple in Greece. 17. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. In which city is it located? A. Riyadh, B. Abu Dhabi, C. Doha, D. Dubai. Answer: Burj Khalifa, the tallest building, is located in Dubai, UAE. 18. The Golden Gate Bridge is located in which city? A. San Francisco, B. Los Angeles, C. Miami, D. Seattle. Answer: The Golden Gate Bridge is located in San Francisco, USA. 19. The Kremlin is a historic fortified complex in which city? A. St. Petersburg, B. Warsaw, C. Moscow, D. Kiev. Answer: The Kremlin is located in Moscow, Russia. 20. Petra, the ancient city carved into rock, is located in which country? A. Egypt, B. Jordan, C. Saudi Arabia, D. Israel. Answer: Petra is an ancient city carved into rock in Jordan. 21. The Acropolis is a historic citadel in which city? A. Athens, B. Rome, C. Cairo, D. Istanbul. Answer: The Acropolis is a historic citadel in Athens, Greece. 22. The Sagrada Familia is a famous basilica in which city? A. Lisbon, B. Barcelona, C. Valencia, D. Madrid. Answer: The Sagrada Familia is a famous basilica in Barcelona, Spain. 23. The Louvre Museum, home to the Mona Lisa, is located in which city? A. London, B. Paris, C. Rome, D. New York. Answer: The Louvre Museum is located in Paris, France. 24. Moai statues are located on which island? A. Madagascar, B. Hawaii, C. Galapagos Islands, D. Easter Island. Answer: Moai statues are located on Easter Island, Chile. 25. The Alhambra, a palace and fortress complex, is located in which country? A. Morocco, B. Portugal, C. Spain, D. Italy. Answer: The Alhambra is a palace and fortress complex in Spain. 26. Mount Fuji is a famous mountain in which country? A. China, B. Japan, C. Thailand, D. South Korea. Answer: Mount Fuji is a famous mountain in Japan. 27. The Great Sphinx is found in which country? A. Egypt, B. Jordan, C. Sudan, D. Morocco. Answer: The Great Sphinx is found in Egypt. 28. The CN Tower is a famous landmark in which country? A. USA, B. UK, C. Canada, D. Australia. Answer: The CN Tower is a famous landmark in Canada. 29. Neuschwanstein Castle, the inspiration for Disney's castle, is located in which country? A. Austria, B. Germany, C. Switzerland, D. France. Answer: Neuschwanstein Castle is located in Germany. 30. The Shwedagon Pagoda is a sacred Buddhist site in which country? A. Myanmar, B. Thailand, C. Cambodia, D. Sri Lanka. Answer. The Shwedagon Pagoda is a sacred Buddhist site in Myanmar. Time's up, travelers. How many landmarks did you spot? Drop your score, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more world quizzes.